Hello, my lovely YouTubers. Welcome to my sweet treats for the holiday. Yeah, this is the candy that I get generally for the holiday. And you know, candy can be quite expensive. If you want to give it as a gift or as for entertainment at home when you have your dinners or whatever. I've previously hauled candy, but as I go along, I pick up what they add that is new or whatever I tend to need. Okay, so let me show you how the Loquacious one purchased her holiday candy without breaking the bank. I bought another one of these curl candy canes with the little gummy Santa Claus and Christmas tree. I use these to make the root beer float glasses like my girl Very Carey. Attach it to the glass with hot glue, or you can use double-sided tape. For my candy bowls, I use these Starlight Mints, or if I make a candy wreath or whatever. And I also get them in spearmint, the green and white and the red and white, because they are festive and they look holiday-ish. I bought these spearmint leaves made with real spearmint oil, and they're fat-free. All these are fat-free. And the reason I got these because when I decorate my cakes, I mold these little gummy candies into shapes to do my, cake decorating on the cheap. I also purchased these 6 slits. It's 4-ounce package, and they are red, white, and green if you can see them. And I use these as decorations. I also use the red and the green candy sugars, as well as the little sprinkles that I get. But these also are perfect depending on what the cake decoration I am doing is. Now for my guests, I use these Andes Cream de Mint thins. I use this in the guest bedroom. I also use this Russell Stover mint patties. These are dark chocolates, and these are pre-wrapped, so you don't have to worry about hands contaminating them. That's why they're so good to give, and they're reasonable. Also, these Russell Stover marshmallow Santa Clauses, they have them in different flavors. I got another one in caramel somewhere. They are really good, but these are good for putting in baskets, as well as these Russell Stover's Big Bite Caramel Apples. These are so, they're just so good. I also got these Hershey Kisses Cookies and Cream. I put these along with this Russell Stover Coconut. I put these in my Hanukkah gift baskets I give to my friends who are Hebrew, and they tend to like it. I like the blue and white, and along with the dreidel and stuff. It looks so nice. Yes, folks, these are some of the items that I buy for the holiday season. This is how I do my entertaining on the, I hate to say cheap, on the budget friendly, okay? On the budget friendly. And you can entertain, have something to offer. Of course, we have the candy canes. I have the peppermint puffs. I have the peppermint twist. I have all of that. Some of those are in previous hauls. But you can have candy for your guests and don't have to spend a whole lot of money, and it can be delicious. You don't have to go buy expensive chocolates, okay? Although there's nothing wrong with that, because I love Godiva and I love Ghirardelli, and I do purchase those also. I will show you that later on. All right, folks, click the subscribe button. Thumbs up this video if you like and would like to see more. Tell somebody to tell somebody. Share this video. Okay, leave all questions, cares, and concerns in a box below. To all my new subbies, welcome. I love you all. And with that being said, happy holidays to whatever you celebrate. Just enjoy life. Life is short. With that being said, bye-bye.